Hi, this is Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Hyundai Iload van, stock reference number 48454. The shape runs from the first month 2012 and is the current shape. It has a D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. D4CB 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Bonnet has one small dent, tidy radiator grille, right hand headlight in good condition, right gutter pierced, have no damage, right power door mirror, right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right front door has 2 small dents, right rear sliding door has 3 small dents, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate has 1 large dent, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear sliding door has 3 small dents, and a right power door mirror, manual fold type. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen media player, left hand sun visor, interior courtesy lamp, sun visor, rear vision mirror, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with mode and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Tyre Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.